In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an expense from one report to another in Expensify. This is really useful if a receipt ended up on the wrong report, if you're reorganizing reports by project or month, or if your company has specific reporting rules you need to follow. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look out for so you can move expenses confidently without breaking anything in your reports. First, make sure you're logged into your Expensify account in your browser. From the main dashboard, look toward the left-hand side of the screen and click on the option labeled Reports. This is where Expensify groups together all of your expense reports, past and present. Opening this page lets you see everything you might want to adjust. Once you're on the Reports page, find the specific report that currently contains the expense you want to move. You can scroll through the list or use any filters or search bar if you have a lot of reports. Take a moment to double-check the report name, date range, or any labels your company uses, so you're sure you're opening the correct one. Then click on that report to open it. Inside the report, you'll see a list of individual expenses. Identify the expense or expenses that need to be moved to another report. Select the relevant expense by clicking on it so that it's highlighted or checked. Once you have your expense selected, look near the top of the expense list, above where it says Selected. You should see a small arrow icon next to this label. Click on that arrow to bring up more actions related to the selected expenses. After you click the arrow, a small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Move Expense. This tells Expensify that you don't want to delete or edit the expense, but simply move it to a different report while keeping all the details like the date, amount, and category intact. When you click Move Expense, Expensify will prompt you to choose where you want to move it. You'll see a list or a search field with your available reports. Carefully select the report that should contain this expense going forward. Take a second to confirm that you're choosing the correct destination report, especially if your reports have similar names. Once you've selected the new report, confirm the move. The expense will now be removed from the original report and appear in the destination report instead.